Hey there, in the video today, I'll be showing you how you can create your own custom cursor in under 2 minutes by using a library for JavaScript. The library I'm using today is called cursor.js, and I'll provide you a link to the documentation below in the description. What we're looking to achieve today is the cursor effect you can see on the screen. To get started, all I've done is exported an Articulate Storyline and Articulate Rise project and saved them on my desktop. I've then opened my code editor, which today I'm using brackets. So let's jump in and start editing the story.html file. So on the left here, I've got the file opened and I've already got the code saved that I'll be using. So I'll go ahead and copy the first link and we'll pop that into the header tags. Once we've done that, there is a secondary code that we'll need to copy. And we'll copy that into the bottom of the body tags. Once you've popped those in, you can hit save. And we can now see our custom cursor on our Articulate Storyline project. There are a couple of configurations that you can do. There are up to 5 different types of cursors. So within the type, you can change the number to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And you can see the cursor changes style. Additionally, you can code that you wish to remove the default cursor, which I have done at the moment. So if I change the true to false and then hit save, we can see my default cursor and then the custom cursor behind it. Finally, you can also change the color of the cursor. So if I change that to the hex code for black, we can now see the black cursor with my original cursor on the screen. For Articulate Rise, it's essentially the same process. So all you want to do is grab those codes and pop them into your header. And at the bottom of your body tag. And there we have a custom cursor in under 2 minutes for your Articulate Storyline and Articulate Rise courses. Feel free to drop a like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks.